Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daydran and we begin on a somber note. Now the Soca fraternity is in mourning following the death of sensation Ricardo Drue. His death was confirmed earlier today at the Sir Lester Bird Medical Center in Antigua and Barbuda. The singer was rushed to the hospital after being found unresponsive in his room. Now family members and the entertainment fraternity gathered at the hospital following the shocking news. His fiancée, soca star Patrice Roberts, says she is speechless following the news.
Can't really talk right now. I'm just processing. But yes, it's true. I don't know how it happened. I just know they found him unresponsive. Yeah.
Now, dancehall artist Massacre continues to see success with the release of his sophomore album, Generation of Kings. The 17-track project debuted on the Billboard Reggae album chart in the #2 spot for the week ending December 16. Now, this triumph for the artist comes just days after he dethroned Valiant's 5-track record to become the first artist to have 17 tracks rank in the top 20 on Apple Music Jamaica. Generation of Kings is also #1 in 13 Caribbean countries, while the album's clean version debuted #2 in various countries, including Jamaica, Seychelles, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Zac Efron receives a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. The actor described the recognition as a dream come true. Now, Efron, known for his roles in High School Musical and The Greatest Showman, expressed his love for his friends, his colleagues, and his lifelong fans who have supported him throughout his career. During the ceremony, Efron also took a moment to acknowledge someone who was missing from the ceremony, Friends star Matthew Perry, who died unexpectedly in October.
I really also want to mention someone that's not here today, and that's Matthew Perry, who was so kind and generous with me while we worked on 17 again. Collaborating with him in Burst Years was so much fun, and it really did propel me and motivate me in so many ways. It really pushed me into the next chapter of my career, and for that, thank you so much, Matthew.
He played a younger version of the late actor in the 2009 film. Now, the nominations for the 81st Golden Globe Awards, they're in, and Barbie is leading the pack with 9 nominations. The highest grossing film of 2023 copped nominations for Picture, Musical or Comedy, Screenplay, Director, Leading Actress for Margot Robbie, Supporting Actor for Ryan Gosling, as well as 3 separate entries in the Original Song category, while Christopher Nolan's epic biopic of atomic scientist Robert Oppenheimer trails behind with 8 nominations, including Leading Actor Cillian Murphy, Emily Blunt as Supporting Actress, and Robert Downey Jr. for Supporting Actor. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Thank you for watching.